the surface charge density of the sphere of radius. The sphere of radius r is equal to given 10 centimeter. We can write here the 10 into 10 power of minus 2 meter. And the surface charge density, the sigma is equal to given 8.85 into 10 power of minus 8 centimeter square. The potential at the center of the sphere. Potential at center of the sphere. The potential at that is the formula V center is equal to sigma r by epsilon naught. What is the formula? Sigma r by epsilon naught. Epsilon is the permittivity. What is the permittivity? Is the constant value there. Right here the sigma. What is the 8.85 into 10 power of minus 8 into r. R is equal to 10 into 10 power of minus 2 divided by epsilon naught. It is the constant value 8.85 into 10 power of minus 2. Now it's the cancel. See, 10 power of minus 10 is taken here the 10 power of plus. The total is the 10 power of is the minus 3 volt. So this is the V center. Next is the question number 33. Question number 33. Three concentric spherical shells have the radius A, B, C. Now this is the concentric shells. 3 shells. This is the 3 shells. And it's the first one of the radius is A, and second one of the radius is the B, and third one of the radius is the C. That is say that A is less than of B is less than of C. The surface charge densities are sigma, minus sigma, and plus sigma respectively. If VA and VB, see the potential of VA, the potential of VB, the potential of VC, that denote the potential of the shells. For the C is equal to A plus B. See how here we find the condition. The condition is the first of all we can find out the potential of a spherical shell. The potential of a spherical shell, that is the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon A minus B plus C, because of the second one have the minus negative surface charge density and positive. That's why I tell you the minus A plus B. The potential at B point is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. See here the A square minus B square plus C by B, because of the second shell of the distance between. Now the potential at the C point 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught A square minus B square plus C square by C. But here the condition, the VC is equal to VA. VC is equal to VA. Write the VC. How much is there? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught A square minus B square plus C square by C is equal to VA. The VA is equal to how much is there? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught A minus B plus C. Now it is a cancel, and then we can write the both of them are equal. The VC is equal to VA but not equal to the VB. The potential of the V is not equal to this both of them. Next is the question number 40. The question number is the 40. Now here is given the 4 charges placed at the 4 corners of the square. See, this is the square. Now 4 charges. This is the charge, this is the charge, and this is the charge, this is the charge. Okay, the square is the distance is A. The side is how much is there? Is A. This is also A. Okay, the work done the moving the charge, the negative charge from the center of its unit. Now here you can find the center. The center we can find the charge. Here say the divided by the minus q. Now here the distance is the A, and this is the A, B, C, D. The A, B, C is the 4 points, and each of the charge is same placed by there, and the side will be also same A, and then the center to this A point or center to B point, the center to C point or center to D point. Anyone you take, this is the distance is there A by root 2 because of the apply the Pythagoras rule, side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Then this is the distance will be there A by root 2. Then find out the work done of moving of charge. So work done is nothing but W is equal. This work done W is equal to nothing but potential energy. What is taken by the potential energy? That potential energy what is the formula is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Q1 Q2 by R. Then here we can write here the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2. The Q1 Q2 are the same charge Q into Q by R. R is equal to the distance A by root 2 whole square. Now we have the total how many sides are there? 4 sides. Now we can write the before of the 4. Then the 4 is indicating by the sides because of square. The 4 gets cancelled. Then we can write the Q square. The denominator of the denominator is take the, sorry, here there is no square. The cube A by root. This root 2 is take the denominator is numerator root 2 by. How much is there here? Pi epsilon naught into A. See, this is the work done by the moving of the charge 1 point to at a center. Next we are discussing the another problem. Is there question number 45. Two connected bodies having respectively capacitances Q1 and Q. See, this is the first one body. This is considered the second one body. Of the capacitance is the C1 and this is the C2 here connected by. The charge without the total, the charge is total Q is equal to C1 plus C2 because of it's connected by C2. The potential of the body is V. Here the potential, here the potential. The individually we can find out here the potential V1 and V2 is equal. Will therefore we know the formula. The charge Q is equal to C into V. Now we can apply here the potential V1 is equal to Q by C. And similarly we can write V2 is equal to also Q by C. C is nothing but effective capacitance. The effective capacitance is there C1 plus C. Write here the formula Q by C is equal to how much is there here? C1 plus C2. C is equal to C1 plus C2. And similarly V2 is equal to also Q by C1 plus C2. This is the V1 is equal. See, V1 is equal to, we can write the V is equal to Q by C formula. The charge on each capacitor is there Q and the capacitance is there. We are adding the sum of C1 plus C2. This is the formula. Question number 54. Three condenser of capacity. The three condenser of capacity C1 is equal is given 4 micro millifarad and C2 is equal to 2 millifarad and C3 is equal to 3 millifarad are connected such that 2 and 3 are connected in series. 2 and 3 that is connected in series. This is the capacitors are 2 millifarad and 3 millifarad are connected in series. And 4 millifarad is the parallel. This is the 4 millifarad is connected by a parallel. The equivalent capacitance of combination. This is A and B. What we can equivalent of capacity combination. See, the capacity combination is the first there are the series combination. The what is the formula for the C 1 by Cs? The capacity in series combination is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. See, 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 is equal to, write the 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Take here the LCM is the 6 and 3 plus 2 is equal to 1 by CS. Then the CS is equal to 6 by 5. This is. And next it will be in parallel. The effective capacitance in parallel combination, the CP is equal to CS plus that is a 4. Then we can write here the CS is equal to how much is there here? 6 by 5 plus 4. Taking the LCM 4 5 into 4 20, 26 by 5 is equal to Cp. Now is the cancel. How many times is it? 5 the 25 and 1.2, that is equal to 5.2 millifarad. So this is the answer for this one. Next, question number 56. In the given figure, so what is the figure is given? This is the first capacitor and second capacitor and third capacitor, C1, C2, C3. The connections we can observe, the first one is connected between the 3 and second one is connected to the 2. And this is the A point and this will be the B point. Now each capacitance C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to 45 microfarad. Then the equivalent capacitance between the A and B. The equivalent capacitance. Now here the capacitors we can observe. The first capacitor, second capacitor, between what is there, the another wire is connected. That means it is not a series combination. And second and third we can observe, again is the between is connected by the another connection. Again it is not a series. That means the 3R is there in a parallel. This is the parallel. This is the parallel combination. A point and B point. This is the C1, C2, C3. The effective capacitance in parallel combination Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That is equal to C1. How much is there? 45 plus 45 plus 45. That is equal to 135 microfarad. See the question number 61. Two identical parallel plate capacitors are joined in series. See, this is the first parallel plate capacitor and second one is are joined in series. This is the series combination. The attached to a 100 volt of a potential, that is the battery is given by the 100 volts. Now the direct with K is equal to 4 introducing between the plates in second capacitor. In second capacitor is there. This is the C1, this is the C2. This is the introducing of a dielectric. See the dielectric capacitor is introducing in a second plate. Okay, the potential difference on the capacitors. Potential difference on the capacitors. See, here we can find out the potential difference of C1 and C2. The C1 and C2 we can find out. The first C1 is equal to how much of the capacitance is there? C. C1 is equal to C. Then C2 is equal to, here we can introducing of directly constant the K into C. But the K is equal to how much is given? This K is equal is given by the 4. Then we can write the 4 into C. Then what we connected by there? The both of them in series. See 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. That is the effective capacitance in series combination. Now write the 1 by C plus 1 by 4C. Take here the LCM for the 4C. So 1 plus 4, that is equal to Cs is equal to 4C by 5. Therefore the charge on capacitor. Q is equal to C into V. Q is equal to C into V. Then the Q is equal to C. C is nothing but effective capacitance is there 4C by 5 into potential. Then we can find the potential on each capacitor. The V1 is equal to Q by C. You can write here the Q is equal to, here it's the 4C by, Q is equal to 4C by 5 into V divided by C. C gets cancelled and 4 by 5 into potential. Potential how much is given by there? 100. 100 into how much is 20. 20 into 4 how much is there here? The 80. The V1 is equal to 80. Then V2 is equal to Q by C. But here C is how much is there? Again we can write here the C by 5 into 100 by C. The C gets cancelled. And then because of here the 4 is there, the second capacitor, that will be there the 8. And here the whole is the single capacitor there. The cancel the what is the 20 times. This is the 20 volts of the potential. This is V2 is the 20 and V1 is equal to how much is there here? The 80 of the potential. Next, see the question number 65. N capacitors of 2 microfarad each are connected in parallel. So this is the first capacitor, second capacitor, third C1, C2, C3 and so on. N capacitors are connected in parallel. Sorry, parallel means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is nth capacitor, C4, C3, C2, C1. This is are connected by a parallel. This is connected by a parallel combination. Now the potential difference, we can apply the battery of the potential difference V is equal to 200 volts is applied to the combination. The total charge on the 1 coulomb, total charge on the 1 coulomb, the total charge Q is equal to N into C into V. See, right, the Q is equal to how much is the 1 and N is equal to, see, capacitor how much is given each of the 2 into 10 power of minus 6. Volt how much is there here? 200. Then we can find that N is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 into 10 power of minus 4. See, that is equal to 2500 capacitors are connected by it. Next, see the question number 68. Question number 68. Determine the charge on each capacitor are shown in the figure. See, this is the first capacitor and it will be the second capacitors are connected by a battery. Okay, it is given by the 14 volts positive and negative and it is with the C1 is equal to 3 microfarad and C2 is equal to 4 microfarad. Then find out the effective capacitance in series combination. See, 1 by Cs is equal to again the 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, that is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. See, total LCM is there the 12 and 4 plus 3, that is equal to Cs is equal to 12 by 7 microfarad. But we can find out the charge on each capacitor. How much is there? 12 by 7 microfarad. Then find out the charge on the capacitor. Charge Q is equal to C into V. The C is nothing but Cs. Cs, how much is there here? 12 by 7 into 10 power of minus 6 microfarad into V. The potential how much is here? The 14. Now we take here the 14. The 7 how much is 2 times 2 into 4, that is equal to 24 into 10 power of minus 6 are 24 microfarad. Now each capacitor charges Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to same, is a 24 microfarad.